Dipping half a lemon in sodium bicarbonate helps is known to be one of the solutions for your health ailments, and is something that you must definitely try out. Today's video will discuss, dip a lemon in baking soda, and the result will amaze you. A mixture of lemon and baking soda is packed with the goodness of antioxidant properties and alkalizing effect that can instantly work on things. In fact, a mixture of these two ingredients are believed to be useful in several ways. 1. Alkalizing. The mixture of lemon and sodium bicarbonate helps in alkalizing the body. It helps fight acidosis, when the body produces too much acid. Hence it is an excellent remedy to take care of the kidneys. 2. Digestive. Lemon facilitates digestion, and adding a little baking soda to it helps the digestive system work better. It also works as a good anti-acid that helps fight flatulence. 3. Depurative. This remedy helps in purifying the liver, and also provides the body with good dose of vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. 4. A good regulator. The combination of lemon and sodium carbonate helps in the regulation of the levels of bad LDL cholesterol, and also improves cardiovascular health. 5. Get rid of skin tan and pigmentation. Just take some baking soda and water, make a thick paste, and apply on dark pigmented skin, and wipe this paste off using lemon slices, and give your skin that instant brightness. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.